2022 was one of the craziest years we have ever seen in cryptocurrency's history, with many altcoins going to zero, huge companies like FTX, BlockFi, and Celsius going bankrupt, and even multi-million-dollar hacks are just a few of the headlines we would all like to forget. But today is a new day. It's 2023, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I think crypto has in store in 2023 and my top 5 cryptocurrency predictions. And if you stay with me all the way to the end of this video, I'm even going to share my top 5 altcoins for 2023 and a very special bonus you're not going to want to miss. But please understand that I'm not a financial advisor, and full disclosure, I do own some of the coins that I will be speaking about in today's video. But if you're ready to see your cryptocurrency portfolios turn back towards the upside, I need you to turn up the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel if you're new, because we post new videos every single day here with crypto. I know it's a bother to ask, but thanks again for all of your support, and let's get started. Alright, so let's dive right into my top 5 cryptocurrency predictions for 2023, why I think they are likely to occur, and how this could potentially affect your finances and financial decisions moving forward. Now, my first crypto prediction is that Bitcoin will not make a new all-time high in 2023. According to Yasser Ramid's Bitcoin halving analysis, you can see right now we are nearing the low point of the 4-year cycle. Now, no one knows if we're going to go higher or lower from this point, but from previous cycles, the all-time highs typically happen a year after the halving. As you can see in the last cycle, we have on May 4th approximately of 2020, and we didn't reach a new all-time high until April 2021. And according to this halving model prediction, you can see that we will start to recover a little bit in 2023, but not make a new all-time high until 2024 or even 2025. Now, I know a lot of people might be saying in the comments, this time is different, they're going to have regulation, everything is going to be different, Joe. How can you say that this is going to happen with some accuracy? Well, the truth is, nobody knows 100% for sure. But if you look at previous cycles, Bitcoin and the entire market has basically done the same thing every single time. Of course, there's always a little bit of variance and deviance, and we are starting to see slightly longer cycles with diminishing returns. But I'm a big believer in these cycles because of the halving event, as well as the supply shock of Bitcoin coming on the market. And now more and more people know about this, and I am not one to bet against what has happened in the past, because while it may seem too obvious about what's going to happen in the future, humans' emotions do the same things over and over and over again. And this is why I do think that we will see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, but not for another couple of years. Now, my second cryptocurrency prediction for 2023 is that Bitcoin and altcoins will start to recover. However, we may see lower prices, but ultimately, I believe the market at the end of the year will be higher than our current prices today. And according to this model, you can see we may even go down as low as $10,000, even $9,000 as an absolute low. This would be an 84% drop from the all-time high of $69,000. But I also believe that we may have already seen our bottom. No one knows for sure, but what I am seeing based on this chart and many other charts is that we are at or near a bottom, and that these could be some of the best times in history potentially to be accumulating cryptocurrency. Now, I wanted to share with you another chart called the stock to flow model. This is done by Plan B. Now, every single time we have entered into these blue accumulation zones and these green zones, these have been some of the best times to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And right now you can see we are entering into the green zone. And you can also see this white line has Bitcoin recovering all the way to approximately $40,000 to $50,000 at the absolute highs in the next couple of years. Now, I don't think that this is going to happen overnight. I think it's going to trend sideways for quite some time, and there's going to be a lot that's going to be predicated on the stock market as well as the whole macro environment. This is why I do think that we could see slightly lower prices, so it's best to prepare for both situations. Currently, I have money on the side as well as money in the market, but personally, I believe it's better to be more risky when everyone is very fearful. As Warren Buffett has always said, be fearful when others are greedy, but greedy when others are fearful. Now, my third cryptocurrency prediction is that crypto is going to become even more mainstream and even more widely adopted. Now, according to Bank of America, they say regulation is key for mainstream adoption of crypto, and despite the correction in the cryptocurrency markets, the development of blockchain technology has accelerated, and this was written from a report from the bank. Now, in the last years alone, we have seen some of the biggest partnerships with cryptocurrency and brands. For example, here are the top 10 partnerships from Polygon, including DraftKings, Nothing, Stripe, Reddit, Walt Disney, Adidas, the National Football League, Starbucks, Adobe, and even Meta. And in 2021, El Salvador became the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender, requiring all businesses to accept the cryptocurrency. And if you want to get $25 absolutely free in crypto in 2023, click the links down below and join the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency app, which is Crypto.com. As you may or may not know, I am an ambassador with Crypto.com, but I could think of no better way than to get your 2023 started with some free crypto. Again, all you have to do is sign up and use the link below. There are no upfront charges, and while it is a referral link, Crypto.com allows you to buy all cryptocurrencies at their true cost, with over 250 different cryptos and with 20 different fiat currencies. They also have an amazing Visa debit card, making cryptocurrency even easier than ever before. And I think Crypto.com is going to help the mainstream adoption happen in the near future and even beyond in 2023. The world is slowly but surely adopting cryptocurrency, and I think that this is going to trend and continue in 2023 and beyond. Now, my fourth cryptocurrency prediction is that we're going to see more clarity and some new regulation with cryptocurrency. Between FTX, Congress, and stablecoins, CoinDesk does believe, and their team predicts, that the issues and topics will take center stage in the next 12 months. Now, the SEC and many other regulators will be working around the clock with cryptocurrency, and I do think that we will start to see some clarity in the future. Now, I am not one to get into politics or really even know exactly what these lawmakers are going to choose, but I think it is very important for you to stay up to date and understand what is coming for crypto in the near future and how this could potentially affect your investment decision. If you're involved with a lot of these risk-on altcoins, please understand that the SEC may call these securities in the future, but there has been some hope against this, as we have seen some really big news regarding the Ripple SEC case. One of the justices did call cryptocurrencies commodities, and according to this tweet, it looks like the Department of Justice is calling MNGO and or CRV commodities and not securities. If we see more of this happening, I think this will be massively bullish for this industry. Only time will tell. Now, my fifth and final cryptocurrency prediction is that the top 100 will dramatically shift and change in 2023 and beyond. Every single year, we have new altcoins moving around and trading positions in the top 100. I even think that we're going to see some cryptocurrency altcoins that we've never heard of start to make it into this list. Now, it's anybody's guess what is going to shuffle around and why it's going to shuffle around. And while I do think that we will see some new outliers, I do think that we will have a core of cryptocurrency stay intact. I do think Bitcoin and Ethereum will stay in their 1 and 2 respective. Anything after that is anyone's guess in my opinion, so it's best to continue to keep up with the industry and to smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because this industry moves very quickly and you want to be able to jump on new coins before anyone else, because this is where you can make some incredible gains. If you want to learn exactly how to find these new altcoins before anyone else, because we're going to be posting new videos every single day. Now, as a bonus sixth prediction, I believe that a new narrative will emerge, and it's going to be AI within crypto. I think this is going to be a massive narrative in 2023 and also into the future. And I do think that one other category is set to explode and continue to explode in the future as well. And that is going to be meme coins. Some of the meme coins that have absolutely taken everyone by surprise, like Dogecoin, as well as Shiba Inu, are in the top 20, and they weren't even in the top 100 within the last couple of years. I do think we will continue to see not only these two cryptocurrencies continue towards the upside, but other cryptocurrencies that we've never heard of that appeal to the masses that will crack the top 100 and be some hidden gems. So I will be here to discover them with you. If you want even more research, click the links down below and join my online class. We have some bonuses coming up here very soon, and you're not going to want to miss out on what I'm going to be doing in 2023. So there you have it. Those are your top 5 cryptocurrency predictions. But what are now my top 5 altcoins for 2023? Now, my first altcoin, while it is an obvious one, I think is set to continue its uprise. That's going to be Ethereum. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because in a bull market, this is where Ethereum could turn deflationary. And we all know what happens when cryptocurrency supply goes down and there's more demand. Typically, the price goes up. In fact, since the merge, we've only had an issuance of 4,000 Ethereum, which, yes, that puts more Ethereum on the market. However, I do think that we could see a downturn in the market as soon as more people begin using this cryptocurrency again. And with all the adoption and more projects building on Ethereum, this is why I think it is set to explode in the near future. And my number 2 altcoin is going to be Polygon. The reason why I'm such a big believer in Polygon Matic is they are bringing the world to Ethereum and really helping Ethereum with the scalability issues. Ethereum is not going to change and be ultra scalable in the next couple of years, especially in 2023. I think that Polygon, with making all the massive partnerships that it has and being a top 15 altcoin right now, is going to continue its growth, and more adoption is going to happen on this layer 2. That is why I believe it is going to continue to thrive in 2023 and beyond. My number number 3 altcoin is going to be XRP under one condition. That is if they win their case against the SEC and they are not deemed a security. If this happens, I think XRP is going to be relisted on a lot of major exchanges, and this cryptocurrency is absolutely going to soar and skyrocket. But again, it's all hanging in the balance of this case, so make sure to stay tuned for those updates. Now, your 4th altcoin I think is going to continue to keep growing and gaining share of adoption is going to be BNB. Binance and Binance US are the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world today, and there's a reason why the BNB token is sitting at number 5. It has multiple different use cases like buying, selling, and trading fees, as well as transactions. I think that if the bull market starts again in 2024, people want to continue to build new projects and launch them on the Binance Smart Chain. This is where BNB absolutely exploded just a few years ago. If you take a look at the chart, you can see right before the bull run in 2021, this is where all these new projects started building. This is why this coin absolutely exploded, because you needed BNB to transact and to use on the network. And your 5th and final altcoin is going to be Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at number 8 right now, and if Elon Musk integrates this with Twitter, I think Dogecoin is set to absolutely explode, and we could even see that monumental $1 Dogecoin in the near future. Now, I don't know if it will reach that in 2023. I am more leaning towards no, it's not going to happen. However, I do think that we could see more price appreciation and spikes towards the upside like we saw a couple months ago when Dogecoin went all the way from 5 cents to 15 cents based upon news that we had with Elon Musk working on this coin. Again, the goal of crypto is to buy low and sell high, and we are starting to trend back down towards those lows. So for me, this is personally going to be one I'm going to be keeping my eye on and accumulating aggressively in 2023 and beyond. Now, as a bonus for staying all the way to the end of this video, if you want to learn how to become the next cryptocurrency millionaire, I have something very special for you. As a limited time offer, you can enroll in my online class that has helped thousands of students multiply their money with cryptocurrency for only $497. This is 75% off from the retail price of $1,997, and many of my students have multiplied their money and were able to recoup the cost of the course back and then some. In fact, we had students earning thousands and one student even become a cryptocurrency millionaire. And last year, I made over $200,000 in 1 week without doing any trading. I teach you all of the things that I have done to become a cryptocurrency millionaire personally, and we're going to be launching the 2.0 version of this course within the next couple of weeks. So if you're looking to join a community, and ours is arguably one of the largest in crypto today with over 3,500 members, sharing updates and learning the strategies to help you become a better crypto investor, now is the time in 2023 to educate yourself and to take action. So if you are interested, click those links down below, join us today, and receive your massive discount before it expires. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you want even more free content, make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because we're going to be making new videos every day for you here on this channel. They are very time sensitive though, so you're not going to want to miss out. In fact, I made a new video with my top altcoins. Click it right here, and I'll see you very soon.